So we've had reports of something that's been going on today.
Yeah.
With you and the law enforcement agency. So at the moment you are detained.
I'm detained?
Yeah, until we figure out
Oh, mate, thank you so much.
Been provided, okay?
Yeah, you're going to put hands on me here?
I'm not going to cuff you.
No, you're putting hands on me.
I've got my hand on you.
Let's go to the person.
No, so you're not going to go down here. You're going to stay here for.
Am I?
Okay, yeah.
Wicked.
So you're going to stay here until we figure out what's going on. At the minute you're detained.
I'm detained.
So you're not under arrest.
Good.
Until
I know what I'm doing. This ain't my first rodeo, love.
Okay.
Can you just tell this gentleman
so you can't go over
that I'm allowed to film in public?
For me, okay?
Can you tell him I'm allowed? No, I'm not going to. You got your hands on me.
I've got my hands.
Get your hands off me.
If you continue to be aggressive, then you will be cuffed. Okay?
Go on then, cuff me. Go on.
At the minute,
I haven't done anything.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public.
Okay. I'm not saying.
I'm filming him in public, like this.
Stay here for.
My camera.
Calm down. Calm down.
The camera don't lie, love.
I'm not saying that you've done anything wrong.
Yeah, you are. You're detaining me. You're holding.
The officer's handling of this situation raises red flags almost immediately. Within moments of arriving, she decides to detain the auditor based solely on vague, second-hand information, no clear allegation, no concrete evidence, just suspicion. That's not lawful detention. That's jumping to conclusions. Even more alarming, she physically restrains him while openly saying, "I'm not saying you've done anything wrong." Let that sink in. She's holding someone she admits hasn't broken any law. The auditor was filming in a public place, which is fully legal. Yet instead of calmly gathering facts, the officer went straight to control mode. That's not good policing. That's detain first, ask questions later.
That I'm doing wrong, and you're holding me over something this little goon over here said.
Right, calm down, okay? You don't want to be calling people names in the street, okay?
Goon.
I heard what you said.
It's not illegal, love.
I didn't say
Get your hand off me.
No.
Yes.
You are being detained until, calm down, until I figure out what's going on. Are you okay?
No, I walk around filming people. It's what I do.
Okay, but
it's not weird. He can't just call you. He's called the police, and you come up to me and put your hands on me.
You are detained.
And detain me.
Yeah. Calm down.
What time did you detain me?
I know.
Can you identify yourself?
Yeah. Look, I'm in full uniform.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Why haven't you told me you're recording? You need to tell me at the first opportunity.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Should we get your things up so we can have a look at it?
And this is always on. It's never got to do on camera.
Mate.
No, same as mine.
When the auditor asked if the officer was recording, something police are required to disclose promptly, her answer was deeply troubling. We don't need to. That's simply wrong. Under the UK's Pace Code G, officers must inform individuals as early as possible if an interaction, especially a detention, is being recorded. This isn't a trivial detail. It's about transparency and trust. People have a right to know what's being documented in real time. Yet in this encounter, the officer not only skipped giving a clear reason for detention, but also withheld critical information, all while physically restraining someone who hadn't committed any crime. That's not how rights are protected. That's how they are eroded.
You're putting out, like, do I look like a criminal to you?
I know you're a lovely boy.
Exactly, do I look like a criminal to you?
You're not.
So why are they, you're grabbing me?
Listen,
I'm telling you what, there's a funeral going on over here.
Exactly.
Right,
so calm
let's
down.
go over here.
So calm down. I've tried to come down it. Right,
You? Goon?
Come on, calm down.
Put me in the van, go on.
I'm not putting you in the van, I'm sitting here.
No, I'm not sitting nowhere.
If you just sit here,
I'm not taking no directives off you. I was filming in public.
That's fine.
I'm a man with a camera, not a gun.
No, we know. We're just trying to find out what's
No, I'm not doing you any favour.
Just sit there.
I'm not doing you any favour.
Calm down for
No.
me.
let you go.
I am.
Making us listen.
You're going to make negotiations with me when I've done nothing wrong.
I'm not trying to negotiate. We're just
At the minute, I
can't
can't figure out what's gone on because I'm dealing with you. Just calm
No,
down.
don't push me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
Stay there.
She's pushing me.
My camera's on.
You're all right. You haven't done nothing.
Why? Stop pushing me
all I
then.
want you to do is stay here.
You're controlling me. You're trying to give me directives.
Yeah.
I haven't done
I'm
anything.
trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, listen.
Even though the auditor stays calm and tries to explain, the officer ignores reason and keeps using excessive restraint. She keeps repeating the same empty line, but how can she figure out what's going on without actually listening to him? The contradiction is glaring. You can't understand a situation by physically holding someone while shutting out their side of the story. This is confirmation bias in action. The officer had already decided the auditor was guilty of something, so every word he said only seemed more suspicious. Instead of assessing the situation fairly, or simply having a conversation, she turned lawful, everyday behavior into something dangerous. That mindset doesn't just spark conflict, It turns avoidable encounters into court cases.
You have to speak to both parties.
Listen to me. No.
Okay, I know, I understand. Listen, calm down. Doing that and pointing out to him and causing more issues is going to make
Go down to the cube. Go down to the cube. Do inquiries down there.
Because I'm dealing with you. I can't go and see
blah, blah,
I can't go and
Don't
see
put your hands on my property.
Don't point that in my face.
I'll point it wherever I want.
Okay? Listen.
Just explain what's happened.
I was filming the back of the Securico van, like a G4S, like that, and he's gone up to the man and said, oh, he's filming you, and then he's like, oh, I don't give you permission to film me. I'm in public. Go and explain to him that I can film in public.
Was that any reason you can?
Yes, because I can. Because this is what happens when you do.
Listen,
No, I want to hear what you're saying.
No, you're not. You're not going to make the situation worse.
Why are you putting hands on me?
Because you're trying to get involved and make the situation
No,
worse.
I'm not.
All I'm trying to do...
I need to hear what he's saying.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I'm walking down the road filming, and you're just a goon.
Listen.
Now jog on.
Down. Stop.
Have you detained me as well?
No, you are detained.
Have you detained me? You detained me.
I have detained you.
What station are you like?
I'm from Pembroke Dock Station.
Yeah?
719.
Another Pembroke Dock Station.
719. There you go.
Yeah.
Full force of your camera.
I'm waiting for 720 quid off on you
Right.
for illegal detainment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When the auditor points out he's already owed £720 from the same police force for a prior wrongful detention, it casts a long shadow over this moment. You'd think a department already paying for past mistakes would tread carefully, apply the law correctly, and make sure officers don't repeat them, but instead, here we are, watching the same playbook unfold. If financial penalties haven't prompted change, this isn't just an error, it's a warning. It signals a deeper problem. A culture that resists learning, ignores accountability, and keeps the cycle of misconduct turning.
Stand out the way for me.
No, you pushed me, you put hands on me, everybody's seen it, it's all on camera, mate.
Because you keep on wanting to go over there, so I'm trying to prevent you.
I don't want to go nowhere near that person.
And you said it's all on our cameras as well.
Yeah, and it's all on my camera.
I know. I know it's all on your camera.
I haven't done anything wrong, mate.
Listen, I haven't said you have.
So why grab my arm and make me look like a criminal in front of everybody in Tenby, like?
Listen to me.
It's a small town.
Listen to me.
I'm allowed to film. Why aren't you going over there and telling him?
Listen, my colleague's over there to speak to him.
Honestly, I swear on my kids' lives, like, I was like filming the G4S. He said, oh, he's filming you. And then the G4S man said, oh, you can't film me in pub, you can't film me, I don't give you permission to film me. What's his job? He's in a public, and he can't tell me not to film him in public.
Okay.
Can he?
Well, you know, you are like the same as we can't tell you to not film us.
When the G4S driver reportedly called police to complain about someone filming him, the most obvious first question should have been, where is the person standing? If the answer was in a public place, that should have ended the call right there. Filming from public space is entirely legal, and it's not the police's job to shield people from being recorded while working in plain sight. But that crucial fact was ignored. Instead, the call was treated as if a serious threat was unfolding, triggering an overblown police response and detaining someone without even confirming whether a single law had been broken.
Like being criminalised.
I haven't arrested you.
You've detained me.
I haven't said, yeah, but that's different to arrest.
Get off my arm.
We're not having this. We're not having this pulling too. Just stay here for me whilst we figure out what's going on. That's all I want you to do.
All I've done is filmed in public.
Okay, but because we've had a report,
of what?
We just need to
what
see
is the report?
Everybody that's involved. At the moment, I'm not sure. My colleague's over there trying to get more information.
I'm trying to speak to you about
okay, this is what I'm trying to tell you. What was your name?
Really?
Why can't I ask you that question?
Because I don't need to give you it.
Okay, well, I'd like to know who you are.
Why?
Because I'm talking to you.
Why do you need to know who I am?
You've asked who I am because you're talking to me.
Yeah, that's your policy, isn't it?
Yeah, so
I ain't got no policies. I don't work for you.
I've just asked you.
You work for me.
Okay.
Jog on.
Right. So my colleague's just going to speak to you from the report that we've had. Okay.
Yeah.
So at this moment in time.
So at this moment in time, you're under arrest and a suspicion of harassment. So you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence. We do not mention when questions
you are
in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Cool.
Right. All right. Well, we'll have to take the phone.